Our second Aglaonema Pictum Tricolor almost died, and this is how we saved it. At first, I thought it probably just needs some water, so I gave it a good soak the night before, but it's still just as wilted the second day. Then it came to me that our first Pictum Tricolor did exactly this and melted in just a few days. I tried to use this glass dome from IKEA to increase the humidity, but it doesn't quite fit. So I decided to design something myself to make it work, but the measurement was slightly off. It was a bit too tight for the nursery pot to sit in, and too much space left on the top ledge for the glass dome. I fixed that on the second try and also added some beautiful stripes. The nursery pot and glass dome fit perfectly this time, and they look gorgeous together. I woke up the second day and found the no leaf already perked up, with a lot of condensation on the glass. I think it's happy in there now.